आन्ध्रप्रदेशस्य उपमुख्यमन्त्री श्रीनिवासस्य प्रतिनिधिरूपेण अत्र आगतः इति अस्माभिः चिन्त्यते। तिरुपति श्रीनिवासः सः न केवलं श्रीनिवासः परन्तु सः वेङ्कटकृष्णः, कृष्ण एव श्रीनिवासरूपेण तिरुपति मध्ये वर्तते। तादृश आन्ध्रप्रदेशात् उपमुख्यमन्त्री यथा उपेन्द्रः वर्तते तद्वत् उपमुख्यमन्त्री अत्र आगत्य एतादृश समारम्भे भागम् ऊढवान्। सः अन्यश्च सः कृष्णदेवराय वंशस्थः, अस्माकं विजयनगर कृष्णदेवराय महाराजा यः आसीत् तस्य वंशस्थः अस्माकं पवनकल्याण महोदयः। अतः कृष्ण अनुग्रहस्य विशेष भाजनं पात्रम् इति वयं भावयामः। अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे पवनकल्याण महोदयस्य अभिनव कृष्णदेवराय इति प्रशस्तिं वयं दातुम् उत्सुकाः। यथा कृष्णदेवरायः विजयनगर मध्ये सर्व सनातन धर्मस्य प्रतिष्ठां कृतवान्, व्यासराज अनुग्रहेण कृष्णदेवरायः यथा आदर्श राज्यं कृतवान् तथा अस्माकम् अभिनव कृष्णदेवराय महोदयः पवनकल्याण महोदयः अस्माकं देशे सनातन धर्म रक्षणार्थं विशेषरूपेण यशस्वी भूयात् इति प्रार्थनां कृत्वा इदानीमेव सः कोटिगीता लेखन यज्ञस्य दीक्षामपि स्वीकृतवान्। सोऽपि भगवद्गीता लेखन यज्ञे पात्रं स्वीकृतवान्। ये भगवद्गीता लेखन यज्ञे पात्रं स्वीकृतवन्तः तेषां मनसः अभीष्टं सर्वदा फलति। अतः पवनकल्याण महोदयस्यापि मनसः संकल्पः परिपूर्णः भवतु, गीताचार्य अनुग्रहः विशेषरूपेण भवतु इति आशास्य इदानीं तेषाम् अभिनव कृष्णदेवराय इति प्रशस्तिं वयं श्रीकृष्णानुग्रहरूपेण ददामः।
ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಣದೇವರ ದೇಶದ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂತಹ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪವನ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ಅವರಿಂದ
ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಹರೇ ಹರೇ, ಹರೇ ರಾಮ 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 ಹರೇ. ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ನಾದಂತಹ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ದಿವ್ಯ ಚರಣಾರವಿಂದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಭಕ್ತಪೂರ್ವಕ ಶಿರಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಪುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಠದ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪೀಠಾಧಿಪತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಗುಣೇಂದ್ರ ತೀರ್ಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಮಠದ ಪೀಠಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತ, ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಪುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಠದ ಕೆರೆಯಪಟ್ಟ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಶ್ರೀಂದ್ರ ತೀರ್ಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತ, ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಭಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಮಾಯಾಪುರಿ ಅವರ ಚರಣಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತ, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಾಸನ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಯಶ್ಪಾಲ್ ಸವರ್ಣ ಅವರು, ನನ್ನ ಆಪ್ತ ಮಿತ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಟಿಟಿಡಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಿ ಆನಂದ್ ಸಾಯಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರೇ, ಸದ್ಭಕ್ತರೇ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಜನತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಮ್ರ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಲು ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I wholeheartedly request you all to let me speak in English, the Macaulay English. Who thought by making us English that he would destroy India? the Sanatana Dharma of India. But in turn, it destroyed English, driven them away. By learning English, we became more closer. I'm from Andhra. Though I don't know the complete Kannada language, but through English, I became more closer to our culture, our Kannada, rest of the Indian languages. As Arthur Schopenhauer said, no matter how many Western interest groups might come to India to destroy the core fabric which binds us irrespective of region, linguistic differences, the culture is the same. So Schopenhauer says, if anyone wants to brainwash India to bring European thought process, instead of we changing, we're going to change the very core of Europeans, the European culture. So that's the power of our Sanatana Dharma. It is rooted in deep Vedic knowledge and our Gita. I'm very fortunate to be here today. Cows are getting slaughtered. Instead of fighting, there are crores of Hindus out there, crores of people who go to temples every day. We can form societies in our own native villages. As a Panchayati Raj minister, and I hold a portfolio of PR and environment. In PR, we propose something like Gokulalu, where government will give money to build cow sheds, and people can avail that. And there are community Goshalas, and we are trying to do that. So if entire Hindu community in this country, instead of making a ruckus, instead of doing everything, if each and every community protect their cows or gomatas in their own area, I think we don't have to get fear about it. We are part of upholding Dharma. Even Lord Krishna as Govindudu emphasized caring for cows. So we go to Lord Krishna temple, we take prasad and we leave it there. We don't really actually bring back home. If everyone could, at least one family could adopt a cow, a gomata, I don't think we have to go through all this kind of turbulence. Instead of being helpless, and I myself, can you imagine, started with one cow, today I have a Goshala of 60 cows. There are enough money that we spend money on cinema film tickets, we go to club, people go to clubs, people go to luxuries, they spend on marriages. How come being Hindus, instead of before blaming other religion, why we as Hindus, why don't we protect our Gomatas? Why don't we, each of us, take the initiative? I think all of us should think. Because I have 60 cows Goshala, that's why I'm sharing this. It is possible.